Good morning. Today we are going to do a core finisher. Any workout you do, you think, I just want a little bit more? That's what we're going to do today. All you need is a mat and yourself. We're going to do a lot of different planks as well as other fun stuff. Okay, not getting warmed up because we're going to be on the ground. We are going to sit down. Let's have your heels on the ground. Now, back is straight. If I had a yardstick, if you know what a yardstick is, it would touch your head, your back, and your butt. I'm gonna have lots of photo bombing today. I can just see it. Here are your hands. We're gonna come down for 2, up for 2. Oh my goodness, how does that feel? Down for 2, up for 2. Just 2 more, just getting warmed up. Might be doing some bone chewing as we're working on our core. Hold here, hold here. Roll those shoulders back and away. Lift one foot up. And let's switch. And let's switch. Hello, core. How are you? Let's switch. Ooh, one more time each way. Switch. That core should be lighting up. Switch. Come on up. I'm going to put the bone to the side. Let's roll over onto our hands and knees. Now, whenever we're like this, actually, turn the mat so you can see. Let's have those hands right under your shoulders and your knees right under your hips. No wide hands, please. Right here, hands under those hips. Let's lift that left leg up. Now, whenever we lift that leg behind us, I don't ever want it above your body. And it's a nice straight line with your body. Bring that right arm out to the side and press up through that left arm so you're super tall on that mat. Now bring that arm to the front. Don't let that leg drop, please. Bring it out to the side. Now bring your hand to your knee and out to the side. A little balance challenge, hands and knees. Oh my goodness. You might be shaking a little bit. That's okay. We have one more like that. Out to the side. Hold, hold, hold. 4, but not your breath. 3, 2, and 1. Shake that out. Same thing, other side, only 4 reps, not that bad. Come on here, right leg straight behind you, no higher than your body. Left arm out to the side. Bring it to the front. And back out to the side. Press that right arm so you're super tall. Hand to your knee and extend out. Hand to your knee and breathe, please, no hold your breath. Here's 2. Here's 1. Hold, hold, hold. 4, 3, 2, and 1. How'd that feel? We're going to go to plank. Now, if you have bad wrists or it hurts your wrists, please come on your elbows. Great. One is not better than the other. Do what feels better for you. Same thing, same setup. We're going to start on our knees. I want you to walk your knees back so your body is in a diagonal, okay? Starting here. If this is hard, stay here. If you can go a little bit more, bring one knee up off the ground. If you can go a little bit more, bring both knees up off the ground. I want you to bring your butt up a little bit so it's tilted up in the air. Now, I want you to tighten your core, tighten those quads, squeeze your glutes. We're only staying here for 5 minutes. No, we are not staying for 5 minutes. 4, come on. 3, 2, and 1. Come on down. Sit back on those heels. Quick stretch because we're going to do it one more time. Only one more time. Okay, come on back up. Hands right under those shoulders. Walk those knees back. Again, staying here. Hey, this is your day, your workout. This might be where you are today, and that is fine. Lift one foot up if you can't. One foot up, not one foot, one knee. Get a knee up. Lift that butt up. And you're holding, but not your breath. Come on. And you're breathing. Come on. Squeeze those glutes. Squeeze your quads. Hold that body steady. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Oh, shake it out. How does that feel? Okay. We're going to gently roll back down. I want your hands under your butt. Raise those legs up in the air. Drop your legs. Down, 2, 3, hold it here. Your back is totally supported because your hands are under your butt. And slowly bring it up. Again, down for 4 right here. Down, 2, 3, 4, hold. But now your breath. Slowly bring it back up. Let's do that 2 more times because it feels so good. Down for 4 right here. 4, 3, 2, hold it here. Hold, come on. Bring it back up. Up, 2. Let's do it again. Down, 2. Last one right here. Hold. 3, 2, collapse. Okay, next one we're gonna do. We're swimming. What do you do when you swim? Your whole leg goes like this, not just your feet. That's what you're gonna wanna do because it's a hard one. However, we're not gonna do it for that long. Okay, let's scoot back this touch. Let's get those hands under your butt again. Point your toes because when you're swimming, you're pointing your toes. Drop your legs about halfway. Now just give me big leg kicks right here because I want you to get used to this before it gets really hard. Now press that back down against the mat. Now lower those legs a little bit and shorten up your kicks so they're teeny kicks. Well, not really teeny yet, but smaller. Okay, lower those legs and let's go faster and slow and smaller range of motion. So it's super challenging right here. Come on. 8, 7, 4 more. 3, 2, and 1. Fantastic. Let's do that again. You know what we're doing, so I'm not going to start out with the big kicks. Think about being a little kid in a pool and you are racing your best friend. We all did that across the pool. That's how fast I want you to kick. Of course, your arms are not going, just our legs. Okay. Straighten out those legs. Here we go. Kick. Fast, fast. Keep that core nice and tight. It is totally working right here. Come on. You have 8 more. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Hello, Coretastic. How are you? Let's lie down, arms out to the sides. I want your legs bent at 90 degrees. We're dropping your knees one way. See there, we're not going all the way down to the ground though. Ready? Over for 4, 4, 3, 2, 1. Up, 2, 3. Down, 2, 3, 4. Up, 2. Hey, obliques. Welcome to the party. The ab party. Up, 2. Down, 2, 3. Up. Let's go one more time each way. Down, 2, 3. Up. Come on, you got this. Last one. Please keep breathing. It's so easy to hold your breath. Put those feet down. Now do me a favor. Put your right or left hand behind your head and reach down. See if you can touch that right foot with your right fingertips. If you can, walk that foot away so it's a little bit harder, okay? Here's what we're doing. You're gonna be coming up, never like this. Your chin is never close to your chest. You're looking straight up to the ceiling and you're reaching to the side and coming up. Your shoulder is always up off the ground. Think about a big orange or grapefruit underneath your chin. That's what I always want you to keep at. It keeps your neck in a good space, in a good line. You're not hunched over. Okay, roll those shoulders back. We're gonna do that test run again. If you can touch your foot, I can. Get it further away so you actually have to reach for something. Left hand behind your head. Head, neck, and shoulders up off the ground. Reach. Reach. Up. So your head, neck, shoulders, and upper back are up off that mat. And you're breathing every time you touch. Touch. Side. Side. And your left hand is supporting your head. Last 2 right here. 2. Come on down. Woo! Other side. Right hand behind the head, neck, and shoulders up. Here we go. It should be a little bit of a reach. If it is very easy, please move that foot away. 4 more like that. Hang in there. 3, 2, and 1. Oh! Feel the burn? Let's go one more time because those are so good. Now give me that little test run. I want you to walk out maybe like another inch or so. Left hand behind the head, come on up. Here we go. Touch. Nothing, shoulders up off the ground, upper back up off the ground. Looking straight up, not at me, straight up. 4 more like that, then we're going right to the other side. We are not stretching because this is going to be it for today. Switch, here we go. Touch and breathe. Come on. Almost there. 4 more like that. 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh my goodness, now stretch it all the way out. Great big deep breath in and out. And do it again. Oh my gosh, thank you so much for joining me today for this quick finisher. Hope you got a great workout. Now go out and have a great day because you just worked hard and you feel great in your own skin. If you have not already, please like and subscribe and comment after you do this. I like to know that you do my workouts. Remember, your health is your greatest wealth.